Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, without my glasses on. And I've been out working for the last hour and a bit out here in the at the house. We had about 18 inches of snow over the last 24 hours. You can see our winter wonderland. Oh, I love winters like this. It reminds me of winters when I was a kid and all the snow that we used to get. This is a true maritime winter. I love this. This is why I moved back to Canada from the U.S. I lived in Florida for 7 years and I missed this weather. Anyway, just a short video to share with you. You know, I'm deep into the WWA and I'm fighting for third place overall for SSP, QSOs, and I had to make a decision today. I had to give up the fight or slow down the fight for third place with EA3CI because life gets in the way of ham radio sometimes. You gotta spend time to clean up after a storm like this or whatever the wife wants or whatever life gets in the way. After all, ham radio is not life. Parks on the Air is not your life. Just a small chunk of something that you do. Give you something to do in your free time. But family commitments and household commitments and just life commitments need to take priority over amateur radio. That's just the way it is. I know many people, I talked about obsession in ham radio before. I know many people who will say they're not obsessed, mask it as goals or something else, but they're obsessed. You know, they're obsessed with winning the Rack Portable Challenge or, coming in first place in that contest or making 1,000 Park the Park connections or whatever. But life needs to take priority. Without glasses. Oh man, and my face is red. Anyway, again, this channel is not about technical stuff of ham radio. It's about life experiences and sharing my experiences. And for my friend there who says I talk like Sylvester the cat, in weather like this, it even comes out worse. You just gotta laugh with that stuff. Anyway, enjoy your life. Put life as a priority. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Back to my duties.